Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your Canada tax refund. First, determine your residency status and if you are eligible to claim a refund. Gather all your income slips, such as T4, and any receipts for eligible deductions or credits. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for a smooth filing process and maximizing your potential refund. To accurately file your return, you will need several key documents. Ensure you have all T4 slips from every employer you worked for. Also, gather receipts for any eligible deductions, such as medical expenses or charitable donations. Don't forget T2202 forms if you paid tuition, as these can significantly impact your refund. You have a few options for submitting your tax return. The quickest way is to file online using NetFile certified tax software, which guides you through the process. Alternatively, you can mail a paper return to the Canada Revenue Agency. If you prefer, a tax professional can also prepare and file your return for you. Once your return is filed, the waiting begins. If you filed online, you can typically expect your refund within 2 weeks. Paper returns, however, might take up to 8 weeks to process. For the fastest payment, ensure you have direct deposit set up with the Canada Revenue Agency. You can also check your refund status online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.